Yeah man, peeps, so drink some soup and you know. The red claw crayfish is a popular choice for aquaculture since the late 1980s. Broodstock of the Australian native. Crayfish called janga in Jamaica is a small freshwater crustacean related to lobster, otherwise known as crawfish or crayfish. Yes, peeps, that's it there. The spicy garlic butter crayfish. Part 2 peeps. So it's soup time now. I'm saying I'm not going everything one time now. Yeah, so at the soup time. So we're going to peel up the pumpkin, you know. Pumpkin to throw in a pot on the fire ready for crayfish. And as you know, crayfish them in here, so yeah. So remember guys, give it a like, share, comment and all that. Watch your ads, that's how I make a revenue. And peace, so see pumpkin yonkin here. Yeah man. So we'll get the pumpkin yonkin in a pot. Yeah man. Yes please, so the pumpkin cook, so I'll get them mash out. Yeah man. Get them mash out and thing. See I looking dark like a rain out for everything. Show no I go on. Yeah man. Yeah, please look. They wouldn't send him, but they must send him money to go to a concert. The people come. See pumpkin already crushed already. Yeah man, so I'm adding the sweet potato and thing right now. Yeah, so adding the sweet potato and the carrot. And then which one is shrimp last, you know, the crayfish. So we can nuke and putting spice and everything in it. The pumpkin are the pretty peeps. Can go on, but get them prettier, you know. Get the potato cut up. Cut them small, like I'll cut them and go in there, you know. Yeah. And you cook faster too. Alright, so I'll go on there. Peeps, I wash up the season out of the loose noodle. I don't want the noodle. I want this season outside. Yeah man, so I'll get some water on this and wash it out. Yes, please, I'm say I'm more as a flavor outside, you know. Come in. I want the noodle, right? Alright, so see no breeze inside. Yeah. So I get some flour I need up and put you in it. So add in chop chai with it now peeps. We're going to add in the clavy. You know? I'm gonna say this have in rosemary, oregano, basil and everything, thyme, everything, you don't know. Herbs, this. And lastly, add in the Maggi all purpose. Can't for the Maggi, you know. Smell good already, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, smells so good already. So add in the crayfish now, you know. Make everything go and do its thing, you know. Add in the crayfish. Maybe if I change the pot because the peeps right at the edge. So I just change the pot and done because it's full. Alright, peeps, but exchange the pot. You have the crayfish in the pot and thing. So if you go and do it thing, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, peeps, so soup and done. You don't know crayfish soup. Yeah, man. We invasive fish soup. You don't know this enough way. Need the crayfish, you know. Yeah, man. So, get some food knife and thing, peeps. You don't know. So, okay, dumpling potato. Okay, like dumpling. You see, potato they mash up. Okay, cook too long. Yeah, man, peeps. So, drink some soup now, you know. Yeah, man. And the chops now done cook. So, dip on the fire now. Yeah. So I'm adding the sugar now. That is it. Alright, please, man, add some more spice too. The drops. Why not use ginger spice? If maybe have cinnamon powder, but I chose some night, so I add some so it's the rose water with almond night. Yeah, cause I don't know what things spicy and nice, you know. We have this too. We make extract. I don't know we are Jamaican really major, you know. Just throw it until the might stop. But adding some vanilla. Yeah, we're gonna back here. Not sure about guys, cause I don't know me run out, so I'm just gonna go shop and buy some. Yeah, that is it. So I add in sugar now. We add in sugar in a piece, so I get a stir, you know. Yeah, man. As you can see already, because I want to turn color, change color. Then the sugar add in it. See what I go on the peeps? Yeah, man, sugar carbonize, you know.